Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be showing you how I make a very quick ginger and turmeric tea in no time, guys. I have some ginger and some turmeric here. I did wash them thoroughly, and now I'm going to remove the skin from the ginger and the turmeric. Now you can use a knife or you can use a peeler, whichever one you want, and you can make your tea using them without the skin or with the skin. I am just showing you that you can peel it, what it would look like, and you can choose whether you want to use the skin or whether you want to use it when it's peeled. So here you have it, guys. Now I like to use my ginger and my turmeric with the skin because I believe that all the benefits are up in the skin. So I'm gonna grate it. You can also cut yours into chunks. That's all right. I prefer to grate mine. I'm gonna get everything from it. So once I'm done cutting it, I am going to place it into a pot over medium heat with 6 cups of water. And once I add it into this, guys, I am going to also go ahead and add a piece of cinnamon stick, not too much so that it would overpower the ginger. And this is 1/4 cup of grated turmeric and 1/3 cup of grated ginger. You want this to come to a boil. And we're doing this over medium heat, guys, and once it comes to a boil, I'm going to turn the heat off from under the pot, cover the pot, and I leave it until it steeps for just about 10-15 minutes. After 10 to 15 minutes, this is what it looks like. I'm just going to take a spoon and I'm going to stir it up. It's that simple. If you love to sip on comforting teas, trust me, you are going to enjoy a turmeric and ginger tea, guys. It helps you with the cold or flu or even with upset stomach. And as you can see, my grater that I use some Sif or some Clorox, and it's back to brand new. So don't think about the stain that you're gonna get. And when you're doing turmeric, guys, be sure to use a pair of gloves. All right, so now that it's done, I'm gonna strain it into my teacups, and you can use any form of sweetener. I am a no sweet person, so I'm going to use mine just the way it is here. Imagine sipping this comforting spicy tea in your cozy blanket and watching your favorite movie on a chilly night. Can you imagine? A lot of health benefits, and the rest of it I'm going to pour into a bottle, and once it's cool, I'm going to place it into my fridge, and you can use it when it's cold. I like mine when it's hot, so I'm going to warm it up and I'm going to have my tea. So give this anti-inflammatory tea that can be prepared in just a few minutes a try and enjoy.